In continuation from the last slide, business risks in South Africa are numerous. South Africa isn't a perfect market nor country. Paying taxes in South Africa is painful. It requires business owners over 200 hours to complete a year and requires 9 payments to corporate income tax over that year. It's very stressful and annoying when you have to devote so much time to paying taxes when you need to be focusing on profit and revenue for your company. South Africa is a tricky and complicated country to conduct overseas trade. To trade overseas, business must be approved by the government, which is difficult. It can stagnate, your company's revenue, profits, while you're behind and trying to get all the passes to approve overseas trade. Other competitions and companies can surpass you and take over the market, which wasn't so good. To enforce a contract, it can take up to 500 days to enact such contract. So again, that stagnates and slows down business decisions. South Africa is a country whose currency is not set in stone. It fluctuates heavily, which could lead to depreciation. It's a very risky factor when dealing with currency in South Africa. It might rise, and you could have a benefit for your company, or it could completely crumble and fall, and you could lose everything in an instant. Recent government policies have hurt domestic businesses by favoring foreign companies. If you were a South African and you want to open up a business, while it is cheap, the domestic side of it, when you're trying to open up a local, like mom and pop food place or anything that's local to the area, you're not favored by some big brand. Like if it was a Walmart, something, you really get shunted out, and I think that's unfair for local businesses in South Africa.